Hey there, folks. Big news from the world of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT, brought to us by OpenAI, has leveled up its game. ChatGPT, that friendly chatbot, can now chat back with spoken words. It's like talking to a friend. Just like Alexa or Siri, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT. But wait, there's more. Now, ChatGPT can even talk about pictures. For instance, show it a photo of your fridge, and it can suggest recipes based on what's inside. Peter Deng, vice president at OpenAI, says they're making ChatGPT easier to use and more helpful. In recent weeks, OpenAI has been on a roll, introducing cool stuff like DALL-E, an image generator, and integrating it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't just competing with other chatbots like Google Bard. It's going head-to-head with veterans like Alexa and Siri. But it has a language superpower that makes it stand out. ChatGPT offers 5 different voices, giving you more natural and convincing conversations. So, when can you try this out? Well, if you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you'll get it in the next 2 weeks. It's just $20 a month, but here's the catch: voice mode works on iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. Here's the difference: ChatGPT uses a large language model that learns from tons of internet text, allowing it to answer almost any question instantly. Older assistants like Alexa and Siri follow a set of programmed commands and can't adapt as quickly. But the game is changing. Amazon is making Alexa more chatty and natural, and Apple is working on its own language model to compete with ChatGPT. Here's the exciting part: ChatGPT can now analyze images too. It can describe them in detail and answer questions about what's in the picture. This is a game changer for the visually impaired. And if you're a student, ChatGPT can be your study buddy. It can instantly read and solve math problems from images. An effective way to learn or, well, maybe cheat. So, there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is evolving, making our interactions more natural and versatile. What do you think about this AI evolution? Let us know in the comments below. And do subscribe for more updates. Until next time, happy chatting with ChatGPT.